Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to copy a Google Sheet 2026 method. Creating a copy of a spreadsheet is useful when you want to make changes without affecting to use the same template for a new project. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer or laptop and go to *sheets, Google, *. Sign in to your Google account if needed, then open the Google Sheet you want to copy. Once the spreadsheet is open, click ** file in the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select * make a copy ***. A new window will appear where you can customize your copy. At the top, enter a new name for the copied spreadsheet. Choose a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Next, select the Google Drive folder where you want to save the copy. If you don't choose a different location, the copy will usually be saved in the same folder as the original spreadsheet. You'll also see a few optional settings. You can choose to copy comments if available, and if your spreadsheet contains linked charts or other connected content, you may see additional options depending on the file. After reviewing the settings, click * make a copy ***. Google Sheets will create a duplicate of the spreadsheet and automatically open it in a new browser tab. The copied file is completely separate from the original, so any changes you make won't affect the original spreadsheet. You can also create a copy directly from the Google Sheets home page or Google Drive. Simply find the spreadsheet, right-click on it, select Make a copy ***, and Google Drive will instantly create a duplicate file. Making copies is especially useful for monthly reports, budgets, invoices, project trackers, attendance sheets, and templates that you want to reuse without starting from scratch. And that's it. That's how to copy a Google Sheet in 2026. It's a quick and easy way to duplicate your spreadsheets while keeping the original file safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.